How to fade in and fade out the video in CapCut on the Mac. So there are two ways how you can do it. Simply place your clip to your timeline. Now you want to click that clip and make sure you are in video section and go to blend, and here is the opacity. And if you want to fade in, now add a keyframe here, click this and adjust the opacity to the left or to the 0%. And now we want to move your timeline, for example here, and add another keyframe and adjust the opacity to the maximum. So now if I play this clip, it will look like this. You can also make the zoom out effect. Go to the end of the clip, click add keyframe and reduce the opacity to the 0, and now move it to the left, add another keyframe and go to the maximum opacity. Now if you play the clip, it's zooming out the clip. If you don't want to use these keyframes, you can go to the effects in the left upper corner area and search for the fade, and here is the effect, fade out. Grab it and move it to the end of that clip where you want to use it, and also search for fade in. So fade in will be at the start of your clip, and you can simply customize it. If I play it, it looks like this, but you can speed up your fade in effect and it will look like this, and you can simply customize it, so it's up to you. And that's how you can do it. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing, and see you next time.